Students will write a tall tale that includes the specific elements of fiction, exaggeration, dialogue, and a larger-than-life character. Students will follow the steps of the writing process: pre-writing, drafting, editing and revising, and publishing. Students will tell the story digitally using the app Little Story Creator. Learners are expected to follow acceptable use policy of the technology. The purpose of this module is to enhance 21st century literacy skills while promoting creativity and expressive abilities. Students will find a sense of ownership in creating this original work. This project will also increase fluency as students practice their narration. This video is a brief run-through of the 3rd grade digital story creating module. On days 1 and 2 of the module, students will conduct some research using Google Images to find images to go along with their story. During the mini lessons, students will learn how to use effective search terms and how to limit their content to free use images. Google has been pre-set up to lock safe search. On days 2 and 3, students will begin storyboarding their digital creation. Students will view an instructional video about how to use Keynote to create a storyboard. Students will use the software to create the layout for their story scenes. After viewing the instructional video, students will spend a few days working on their plan. They are able to revisit the instructional video as needed for help. They will be working in groups for peer feedback and support as needed. After storyboarding, students will watch another instructional video showing how to use the Little Story Creator application. Students will spend 2 to 3 days working on their digital stories, using their storyboard as a guide. They will be required to narrate the story and include the text on screen. Students will be able to add an appropriate soundtrack through the application. There are several different features to enhance their presentation. These features will be outlined in the instructional mini-lesson video. When students finish their video production, they will preview it to several students in their support group. Students will refer to the assignment rubric to give appropriate feedback and constructive criticism. Based on peer and teacher feedback, students will spend a day or 2 editing their video. When it is complete, the videos will be shared with the class and electronically. The final stories will be graded according to the rubric.